Hello everyone, we're standing here today at the Hydrogen Technology Expo organized by Trans Global Events. My name is Johann Wiebe from Hydrogen Standard and we're standing here at the stand of FCT Sweden. With me here is Bert Kehrens and he's going to tell us a couple of things about their application and their system. Before we do so, please give us a little bit of an introduction to yourself, Bert.
Okay, welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Bert Kehrens. I'm Director of Business Development for FCT Sweden.
Great, yeah, awesome. Good introduction. Lamina micro fuel cells. Can you tell us a little bit about what they are and what makes them unique?
Yeah, the Lamina fuel cell is a unique design. It's a small planar fuel cell designed for low cost and low complexity to be suitable for smaller applications.
And what are the key characteristics of this sort of fuel cell? Because we all know them, the ones that are talked about, so larger industries, transportation, etc. What sort of sets this one apart from the more traditional ones?
Well, it's a low, like I said, it's a low complex system. It's a PEM open collector system. It has about 10 watts of power. It uses it uses 50 millibar of pressure as intake, and that's basically all we need in order to produce power.
No use of precious metals?
We have platinum in there, but that's the only one really on the precious metal side.
Okay, so application-wise then, where are these sort of Lamina micro fuel cells utilized?
Well, we're targeting applications like agriculture drones, AGVs, intra-logistics. We're targeting drones, cargo bikes, last mile delivery, basically everything that is running 24/7.
Okay. The general fuel cell industry has gone through quite a development. Nevertheless, maybe like the general hydrogen industry, we've hit maybe a little bit of a roadblock, a stagnation before hopefully the final takeoff or the further takeoff. What is your view, sort of like how things are progressing on the fuel cell side of things?
Well, we see a little bit of a stagnation on the bigger applications, the 100 kilowatts or megawatts applications, and we are of the opinion that also the smaller applications deserve a right to be converted to hydrogen, and that's why we see an increase at the moment on the market, specifically for intra-logistics, for small 24/7 applications, where they're starting to see the benefit of using hydrogen as well.
Okay, allude to us a little bit more then, sort of like large versus smaller applications and the use of micro fuel cells in those places.
Well, if you're looking at the 24/7 applications, take the example of AGVs for warehouses. They will be running 24/7, and if we have a battery there, then the battery needs to be charged. So that is downtime for the machine, and it means you need a redundant machine, an extra machine to be operating in that time. And within a hydrogen solution, we don't have that downtime. We take 1 minute roughly to recharge your system. You can do it en route in your warehouse, and then we reduce the amount of equipment needed.
Okay, so you're comparing a little bit sort of the benefits from hydrogen fuel cell compared to alternatives like battery. Are there any more?
Well, benefits of course is hydrogen as such. If your company is switching over to become more sustainable and want to use hydrogen, then the little bit of hydrogen we're going to need for the smaller applications are quite easy to derive from your infrastructure as well. So then it makes fully sense that we complement with our technology also the smaller applications.
Excellent. Innovation, I'm sure you guys have plenty of it in the prospect as well. Can you tell us a little bit about Lamina innovation?
Well, the Lamina is for us like a cell for a battery cell provider. So we want to sell the Lamina in large volumes. But of course we need to help our customers integrating our technology into their application. And to do this, we've developed an Explorer kit that is to help our customers and universities to get familiar with our technology. So it's like it's a pre-integrated laboratory system that we can use to get first acquaintance with our technology. And then the next step is going to be, we're going to develop a modular kit that is like a pre-integrated fuel cells into smaller bits, so that customers have like they don't need to do the full integration, but we already have pre-developed parts so that it's more like off-the-shelf systems for them that they can use in various sizes for their applications.
Fantastic, Bert. Plenty of aspirations in the FCT Sweden.
Yeah, they are. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you very much.